Here in the North Sea, the efficiency and safety of offshore workers is always a priority. Thanks to new innovative technology, the daily life of an offshore worker is being transformed. While old systems and paper checklists are still present, workers now have access to a mobile application that simplifies everything. This is Operation Support. With a simple scan of one of the tags located around the installation, workers can access all kinds of contextual data about that specific equipment, such as PNIDs, a blueprint-like document that shows how different components are connected, and time series, sequences of data points connected to a single component. Typically, on an installation of this scale, there could be up to 1 million different equipment tags. This makes finding equipment in specific areas time-consuming and inefficient. With the help of Operation Support, workers can simply scan a tag or enter its name to see where it is located on a 3D model of the installation. This pinpoints the exact location of the equipment and lets workers digitally navigate the surrounding area to see what may be connected and marked as an area of interest. Workers can scan anything that contains a tag, from smaller, less critical components, like this light fixture, to large, significant components, like this tank. As long as there is a tag to scan, the information and location of the equipment are always available in Operation Support. Offshore workers have dozens of work orders to complete every day on different equipment around the installation. Operation Support lets workers create checklists of their daily tasks, helping them stay organized and track their progress. Connected by smart devices, workers can collaborate, view, and check tasks off the list once completed. Back in the control room, it is crucial for the team to monitor all the work being performed on the installation. Using Operation Support, control room operators can see the exact same thing that field workers are seeing: the same data, the same documents. This simplifies collaboration between control office and the field, which improves efficiency, removes waste, and increases safety. Access to contextualized data is vital for companies that are digitalizing their operations. With Operation Support, data becomes another resource in the field worker's toolbox. And applications like this one are just the beginning of this transformation.